Yo, first order of the day. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $13 going 5 miles, 7 items. Three of these. Ah, Jesus Christ. You really need 3 of these? You only have 3 of these, so you better need them. Meet at door. Thank you. You better meet me at the door and help me carry those things. That worked. Well, I don't know if their Ring doorbell was even connected because I pushed it twice and no light, no sound or anything. Hopefully somebody was home. Their garage door was open, so. Just got the next order. This one's gonna be for Chick-fil-A, $7 going 3 miles. Probably not ready. Probably not gonna be a good order, but no, that's just it. Let's go do it.
Good morning.
Morning. Yeah.
There you go.
This order was definitely not worth it. That wait was 15 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too.
I mean, if I get full pay on both of these orders, should still be on pace, technically. So we'll see how bad that actually was. I mean, that was terrible, but still on pace, hopefully. Finally got the next order. This one's gonna be for Voodoo Donut, $9 going 6 miles.
Yo, you should get that one. Which one? Do you know which one? Oh, look at that one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What the? Okay. So that first order that I did, the shop and deliver, they ended up tipping me 15 bucks. So that order itself was like 20 something. Holy, thank you. And here I thought I wasn't getting a tip at all because I didn't actually meet them at the door. I'll take it.
Thank you.
There you are.
Oh, breakfast.
Yeah.
Next order just came in. This one's gonna be for Starbucks, $8 and some change, going about 4 miles. Thank you.
Yes.
Hello.
$10.67 for the garbage alone.
I got the next order pretty much right away. This is gonna be for Jack in the Box, $9 going 2.5 miles.
There you go. And don't forget the straps right there.
What do we got here? IHOP, $7.75 going 4 miles. Yeah, let's give it a shot. See how they're doing today. Should be my order.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You as well, thank you. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $11 going 3 miles, 4 items. It looks like we're just making bologna sandwiches, so this one should be really easy. Easy enough.
Phone number.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Got the next order right away. This is gonna be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $15 going 5 miles, 3 items. Three of these. I just realized where this is leading me, and this is going up 3 flights of stairs. Scribble on that line for me.
Perfect. Thanks, man.
Good to go. Thank you.
Take care. Have a good weekend.
You too. It's always upstairs. Okay, why is DoorDash... What? It wants me to scan the ID again. What? Guess we're wasting time. What a joke, man. Hello?
I can just go ahead and manually mark this one since I can see that you successfully scanned the ID. So just kindly give me a moment, okay?
All right. All right, next order up is gonna be for Jack in the Box. This one is gonna be $9 going just under 6 miles. Pretty far away from the restaurant, so it should be ready by the time I get there.
Okay, so Stephen 8, and this is Stephen A.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, I think I'm gonna be calling it here then. Current time is 11:20. Current total is like 94, I think it said. And I still have that last Uber tip yet to come in, so it should come up to about maybe close to 100. I don't think it's gonna pass 100. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.